Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use JavaScript in Appsmith. If you're building internal tools, dashboards, or custom applications, JavaScript can help you add dynamic behavior, automate actions, and create more powerful workflows. So let's get started. First, sign into Appsmith and open the application you want to work on. Once you're inside the editor, you'll find your pages, widgets, queries, and other resources in the sidebar. JavaScript can also be used for conditions and automation. You can control widget visibility, enable or disable components, navigate between pages, and customize user interactions based on specific conditions. As you're building, keep an eye on the debugger panel. It helps you identify errors and test your code more efficiently, making development much smoother. And that's how to use JavaScript in Appsmith. Once you understand dynamic bindings, JavaScript objects, and query integration, you'll be able to build much more powerful and flexible applications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.